Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkleTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkleTexHomepage.com app. And right now we are between disturbances as we had the weak one, which did produce a little bit of light rain last night, early this morning. That has moved off towards the east. The clouds have decreased quite a bit here during the afternoon, allowing temperatures to soar into the 60s and 70s. And you can see the next disturbance, which is now making its way into the Intermountain West. And this is what's going to give us our next chance for some showers and thunderstorms, mainly for tomorrow night. Ahead of that second disturbance, you can see lows tonight. Because we'll see fewer clouds, they will be cooler. We'll see low 40s across the north, mid to upper 40s across the south. Some patchy fog also will be a possibility in spots for tonight as temperatures tumble into the 40s. And tomorrow, we will once again be above normal with highs ranging from the low 60s across the north to the mid to upper 60s across the south, right around 67 for the nighttime low tonight in Shreveport and 62 degrees for your high temperature in Texarkana. Here's a look at Robin's starting futurecast. You can see that as we go into the nighttime hours tonight, for the most part, we'll see a partly to mostly cloudy sky. Again, some low clouds and fog will try to redevelop late tonight into tomorrow morning. Expect a mostly cloudy sky tomorrow, and as we head into the very late stages of the afternoon and during the evening hours, a few showers will try to develop across the area. And then tomorrow night, as the main cold front approaches, we'll see the intensity pick up on the showers and thunderstorms. You can see the main line of storms will extend by midnight. It'll extend from about Nashville to Ashdown, down to about Linden and Gilmer. We move this forward in time here, and you can see moving it ahead 2 hours. We'll see the line from about Prescott to Hope to Fouke to about Louisville, Vivian, down to Carthage, and then forward past that. By 3 a.m. we should be done in Shreveport as the line extends from Homer to Ringo, Lake Bistineau, Mansfield, down to the southern sections of Shelby County, and then we'll see that line move out of the area here very quickly as we head into the early morning hours Saturday. In fact, it's possible Saturday that we could begin with a little bit of sunshine. It looks like a dry slot still indicated here with Futurecast, so perhaps a few peaks of sunshine in the morning, but we will quickly see those breaks replaced by some low clouds as the upper level impulse moves in. A possibility for a pop-up shower will exist here for Saturday afternoon. Main thing for Saturday afternoon is going to be the drop-off in temperatures as we'll start off Saturday in the 50s, will likely end by sunset in the upper 30s, low 40s. Also notice all the blue arrows, gusty wind out of the northwest at 20 to 25 miles per hour. We could have some gusts in excess of 30 miles per hour. Saturday looking to be a very windy day, and of course that wind will be transporting in that colder air. As far as rainfall potential, latest run of Futurecast does show basically half an inch, maybe an inch. A few isolated spots totaling upwards of an inch will be a possibility. So again, for most of us, still looks like in that half an inch to an inch ballpark is what you might expect, with a few isolated heavier totals in spots depending on where those lines do set up. And most of this rain again will occur during the nighttime hours Friday night. Now in the week ahead, we have this disturbance coming in to start the weekend. You can see by Saturday morning the heaviest of the rain well to the east. You may have heard of a chance for a little bit of snow tomorrow night, I should say Saturday night, Saturday as the system moves through. I think that'll be off to our north. Some models do indicate a few flakes possible, basically from Texarkana and points northward, but nothing to worry about as far as any travel concerns, as I do think that for the most part we will see mainly just rain. We'll see a couple days of dry weather, and then as we get into the middle of the week, another one of these big upper level troughs will move in. You can see the rain associated with this next one come Tuesday. Notice the main upper level trough here still well to our west. This model clears us out for Wednesday. I do think we'll continue to see at least a chance for some rain Wednesday until this axis of this trough moves through. So Tuesday, Wednesday, a chance of rain, and then once that axis moves through, we will dry out heading into Thursday with a partly to basically partly cloudy sky for Thursday. So that said, here's your 7-day forecast, and it does show for Shreveport. Notice only 30% tomorrow, 30% Saturday. Tomorrow night we're looking at 100%. As most of the rain going to happen tomorrow night, but during the day, nothing really too much as far as rain both Friday and Saturday. Main thing for Saturday will be that gusty north wind. You can see we start off at 52, we cool off to 40, and beyond that, you can see those readings back up close to 60 by Tuesday in advance of that next disturbance, but that won't last long as we cool off again once it moves through with that chance of rain mainly Tuesday and possibly Wednesday. In Texarkana, Texarkana, you're looking at, again, high tomorrow 62, 48 to start Saturday, 37 by sunset, as also looking at a gusty northwesterly wind. And notice that that should say the northwesterly wind on Saturday there. And you can see that second chance for some rain as we move into the middle part of the work week. So all in all, it does appear as if another change on the way. The mild temperatures that we've had today will stick around tomorrow, mainly tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. That's when most of the rain that we're going to experience will occur here across the Arklatex. A few thunderstorms will be possible. Very low end severe weather risks. It shouldn't amount to too much. If we see anything, maybe a wind, a slight risk, very, very low end, and maybe a little bit of hail, but nothing of too widespread concern here for the Arklatex. So all in all, kind of seesaw temperatures here for the week ahead, with the coolest air arriving just in time for the weekend.